Hello, this is Piotr Piekielniak from Portfolio Activation Specialist Team, part of Cisco CX. Welcome to EA Management Series. In this video, I will show you how to provision cloud-based licenses on the example of Umbrella. Once you are logged into your Smart account at Cisco Software Central, scroll down a bit and access EA Workspace. Now you need to find the respective virtual account created on the purpose of Security A. Here it is. You can click on the name or on Catalog. It will take you to that same place. Now we can open a consumption report over here. A new window will open in your browser. And let's find the umbrella. Click on the name. And here you will see how many entitlements were purchased, how many of them were already generated, and what is the balance left. Today we are going to request provisioning of DNS Advantage licenses, which are already on minus already. Let's go back to Enterprise Agreements. Let's expand the plus next to Umbrella and click on Provision Request. Let's select the industry. I will go with, for example, IIT and telecommunications. Umbrella type, as I mentioned, I will go with DNS Advantage, put the quantity you are requesting for. I will go with 100. And you have to decide whether you are using Umbrella Multi-Org or not. I will say no. And here in the notes, if you are using the Umbrella dashboard before, please provide your Umbrella org ID. If you don't know where to find it, log into your Umbrella dashboard, and here in the URL, you will find your org ID. I will copy and paste it over here. Now click on Review. You need to provide the Umbrella contract number, technical contact details, and as you can see, there is a little warning showing us that we are not entitled to any more DNS Advantage licenses for Umbrella. So we need to select the checkbox that we agree that this overconsumption will be a part of the next True Forward event. Once you click on Provision Licenses, you will need to wait up to 7 working days until your licenses will be ready to use in your Umbrella dashboard. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Bye.